Today we learn about the light and the photosynthesis. In previous class we learned for the CO2 is essential for photosynthesis. Now we learn for the light and the photosynthesis. All the green plants need light. What light? Everyone you know. See, sunlight. The sun emit for the large number of rays. Sun emit for the large number of rays that has a rainbow color. Rainbow color nearly 7 color, that is called the Vibgyor. Vibgyor. Vibgyor is the rainbow color: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. In this 7 color, which color more suitable for photosynthesis? See, which color more suitable for photosynthesis? Blue and red in color. It is the suitable for photosynthesis. Green color of the light rays, it is reflected for the leaf. Why mean? The leaf has the green in color, so that only green color has the reflected. Now, many of the aquatic plants, algae, some of the hydrilla, Valsneria, Utricularia, many of the aquatic plants released air. What air released? Oxygen is released. How to release the oxygen? By the help of light. What light? Sunlight. Okay. See, John Ingenhousz scientists conducted all the aquatic plant released for the air. What air released means oxygen is released. See, small activity too. You can prove all the green plants, all the aquatic plants released for the oxygen. What experiment now conducted here? Hydrilla experiment. How to conduct it for this hydrilla experiment? Now see here. Aim. What you write? Aim. To prove that all the aquatic plant and green plants released the oxygen. See. Before experiment, you collected for the aquatic plants like a hydrilla. Before experiment, you collected for the aquatic plant. What that name of plant? Hydrilla plants. Okay. See now apparatus. What material is necessary for conducting this activity? That is called the apparatus. Hard glass test tube, beaker, glass funnel. Hard glass test tube, beaker, glass funnel. It is the apparatus. Materials required here. What that one? Hydrilla twigs. Now conducted for this experiment. Take a glass funnel. In the glass funnel inside, inserted into the hydrilla twigs. Take a glass funnel. The glass funnel inside, inserted for the hydrilla twigs. Okay. Now, take a beaker filled with water up to 3/4. Take a beaker filled with water up to 3/4. Okay. Now, already if you prepare for that hydrilla twigs in the funnel, no? The funnel invert inside that beaker. The funnel invert inside that beaker of the water. Now, take a test tube. The test tube filled with water up to brim. Take a test tube. The test tube filled with water up to brim. The mouth part of the test tube gently shake thoroughly. Why the mouth part of the test tube shake thoroughly? The air bubbles it removed into the test tube. Now, the test tube slowly inverted upon to the stalk of the funnel. The test tube slowly inverted stalk of the funnel. Now, this experiment set up into the sunlight for 2 to 3 hours. This experiment set up into the sunlight for 2 to 3 hours. After 2 to 3 hours, what you observe into this activity? What you observe into the hard glass test tube? In the glass test tube, we observe air bubbles are released. What is released here? Air bubbles. We observe the air bubbles into the hard glass test tube. Now, after 2 to 3 hours, you remove the test tube slowly into the beaker. Okay. The test tube introduced near the burning splinter. The test tube introduced near the where? Burning splinter. What you observe? The splinter it's burn brightly or brilliantly or vigorously. Why the splinter is burned brightly or brilliantly? Because the test tube to what gas released? Oxygen gas it released. What gas is released? Oxygen gas is it released. Oh, in this experiment too, what you can prove me? All that green plants, what released? Oxygen gas is released. Okay, can you understand? Okay. See, next activity. Light is essential for photosynthesis. Light is essential for the photosynthesis. What light is essential for photosynthesis? Sunlight. Sun emit for the large number of rays. That is called the photon. Already you know. Sun emit the large number of rays. That is called the photon. Each photon released a large amount of energy is called the quantum. Okay. Light is essential for the photosynthesis. Without light, the green plants cannot prepare the starch. Without light, the green plants cannot prepare the starch. Okay, now small activity 2. You can prove the all the green plants need the light. Okay, yay. What you write yay? To prove that all the green plants necessary for the light. What light means? Sunlight. Apparatus, potted plant, cardboard or black paper. That is a light screen. Potted plant, cardboard or black paper. It is a light screen. Light screen. Okay. See reagent, chemical reagent, iodine solution. What solution? Iodine solution. Okay. Now, before experiment, you selected healthy potted plant. After sunset, the potted plant kept into the dark room 2 or 3 days. Before experiment, you selected healthy potted plant. This potted plant kept into the sunlight 2 or 3 days. After 2 or 3 days, you conducted for this experiment. Why the potted plant kept into the dark room? Free from the starch. Okay, now already you can prepare for the light screen. How to prepare light screen? Take a cardboard, you cut a design. What design you need? That design L shape I am cutted here. You cut star shape, any other your initial, any shape you can be cut that a light screen. Okay. Now this is a light screen. Now the light screen fixed upon to that leaf. Light screen fixed upon to the leaf by the help of clip. By the help of clip. Okay. Now this experiment set up into the sunlight for 2 to 3 hours. This experiment set up into the sunlight for 2 to 3 hours. After 2 to 3 hours, detach the leaf from to the potted plant. That leaf detached into the potted plant. Okay. See the leaf upon you can attach it for the what screen here? Light screen. Light screen. The light screen slowly remove upon to the leaf. Okay. If you can remove that light screen now, see if in that leaf upon it should add for the 1 or 2 drops of the iodine solution. The leaf upon it should add it for the 1 or 2 drops of the iodine solution. Okay. What do you observe in that leaf? See which shape design you cutted, that shape it changes into deep blue color. Remaining is see that out part is some of the half of the leaf also changes a deep blue color. The cardboard fixing upon to that leaf they have no color. If a light screen part which part are open, that part it become changes into deep blue color. Which part it covered upon to that leaf, that part they have no color. They have no color. Why is here? That the cardboard part is a no color. Its light is not reflected. Light is not reflected. See which part is light is reflected, that part it becomes changes into deep blue color. If it changes a deep blue color in that part, here what is present? Starch is present. Here the cardboard part, why light is not reflected? Cardboard is a opaque body. Cardboard is a opaque body. See the cardboard not transmit the light. Cardboard not transmit the light, so that only light is not reflected in the cardboard area. See this remaining area light is reflected. Here what is can prepare mean? Starch it can be prepared. Okay, in this activity too, what is necessary mean? Light is essential for the photosynthesis. Okay, can you understood?